Hazrat Mughira bin Shu'bah radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Sa'ad bin Ubadah radiyallahu anhu submitted, "If I find a man with my wife, I will kill him with my sword without showing connivance." When this news reached the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Do you feel amazement at Sa'ad's sense of honor? By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I have greater sense of honor than he does, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is more honorable than I am. Owing to it, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has forbidden all open or secret acts of indecencies, and there is no one who accepts justification more than Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. That is why He Jalla Jalaluhu has dispatched apostles alayhimus salam, who give glad tidings and warn the people. No one loves praise more than Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. That is why He Jalla Jalaluhu has promised paradise." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3743.